Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Thursday to you. Another day in the market, man. One more day to go for the week. You can see market pulling back some more. Portfolio value at $52,003, down $438 for the day. Buying power $3,019.90. I brought yesterday 100 shares of ChargePoint. ChargePoint down. It's gonna be a swing trade. Why am I buying it? For a swing trade for the future, and also to invest in EVs. ChargePoint owns charging stations. It's gonna be like a little long-term hold for a minute. Might have to hold it about 2026, 27, but this is accumulation stage. We got down to 130 today. Put buy limits at 130, but this is a great entry level price. I brought more. I had buy limits already set, so brought some at 160, 152, 145, all while I was sleeping. That's why it's important to set the buy limits, because while you're not watching, they will fill the orders for you. All right, we're gonna go with them at 130. ChargePoint, MSTY is in buy range. You know we got to get some of this. And get some MSTY. Buy orders at 21.65 anyway. That's close enough. We're gonna go with KLIP. I had a order got filled. You done shot back up. We're gonna go again at 1209 on KLIP. Mileage in the buy range. I like this $12 and under. Or $12.20 and under. We're gonna go OARK with ARK. That's under $10. I'm gonna go in again at 985. Let's see what I got right here. 938. I'm gonna set one at 985. Low today really is 997. I'm gonna go 985. I like this at $10 and under. Ride it on down. ChargePoint we did. RYLD. We're gonna go in at 1592, which is where it is now. I just get 10 since it's at 1593. Get some of that for the day. Got buy limit set. If it come back down, we're gonna go another monthly pair, USOI. That's 67.29. Get $10 a day of this while it's in the buy range. ORC, Orchid Island. Get some of this. This was 814. Say 815. That's fine. Get $10 worth of that. I like that at 820 and under. Another one, UAN from yesterday. I was showing y'all this one. Got a 13% yield. Let's get $5 worth today. My average cost is 76 at 68.29. This rarely pulls back. When it's below the $70 range, I like to buy a little something of it. But I could catch it on a down day also. I look at it, monitor it, put that money somewhere else. Cash on up, try to stretch the money out. I did put a buy order in for Intel at 1910. So Intel going at 1910 for y'all that want to get in this play. 1910. I'm gonna go to ULTY. I'll get my first 100 shares of this. ULTY 52-week low 974. Did get to 1046 today. Let me get another $5 worth. Y'all gotta get Coney, C-O-N-Y. Coney got down to 13.39, I want to say. Get one at 13.39. While it's down and while it's cheap. WBA for y'all down in Walgreens. It's got down to what, 8.47 today. Dollar cost averaging there. Get a piece of that. Where else are we going? That's everything I had for today. Let's check out QQQY. Add this one on to it. See what this one doing. This pulled back yesterday. Let's see what she doing. 35.12. 34.89. Get some of that. Am I at my 100 shares yet? Nope. 17. All right, let's check out the rest of the market. See what it's doing. Well, we know it's coming down. Seeing what's in our buy range though. Huntington Bank. I know that they pulling down, but not in my buy range yet. They probably never get there. I just hold these for the dividends until after the interest rate cuts when they will shoot back up. What do we do? Got Realty O, $62 is that. What's the 52 we had now? Got to be in the 60. 52 we had 63.39. This gonna shoot back up after the that's usually about a $76 stop. I want to sell it when it go back up and put the money in RYLD. If I'm gonna keep it for a dividend, I'd rather get a 12% dividend than a 6 or 7 with Realty O. That's the only reason I'm keeping it. Western Union, gonna let that come back down. International Paper, I love to get some more of this when it's in buy range, which is not. Got a dividend yield of 3.91% now. PE ratio at a 36. New Tech from yesterday, it was down 11.54. Get some of that, $3 worth, just to cash up, piece it together, stretch it out through the month. We are going Lakeland Platt. Got to get that at these prices if you want to lower your average cost. $3 worth, piece it together. 3M no good. Boom, 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 boom. HPP still coming down. Yeah, so you got to get these REITs at these prices because like I say, once they start doing them those rate cuts, I ain't gonna say it's gonna be too late, but this the accumulation stage now. A lot of my REITs I'm gonna jump up out of. 5 of this at this price, that give me at least 2 shares. I'm gonna get out of and go to the cash flow. Definitely gonna load up on RYLD. I like that 12.8% yield and it's less volatile. I like the yield max, but they are more volatile. I just want to get my 100 shares of all of them. Some of them I already got 100, but it was in the buy range. I'm going to buy it. Might work at the 3 or 500 and let it ride. Just reinvest the dividends from there on out. That is my plan with the Yield Max ETF. Once I get it the way I want it, I'm not gonna bother it. I'm just gonna reinvest the dividends every month. That'll be it. SBSW. This in buy range. Come down on that. I just got an order for Ben. It must have hit the 52-week low. Yep. I just brought a share of that. Right there at 1950. And we're going to monitor it, see what it do tomorrow. Ben. Ride that on down. RYLD we did. XYLD. Where XYLD at? Just to be curious. 40.79. I'm at 44. What's the 52-week low? Is 37. Just to show you XYLD payouts. Paid 40 cents a share last month. So I paid about a penny for every dollar. Dividend yield should be around 9%, between 8 and 10%, somewhere in there. Add XYLD onto the list. That's the brother or sister RYLD and QYLD. Pays out monthly also, but less volatile. Where else we go? How Nusi looking? This pays out every month too. Also, we need to check out SDIB. Let Nusi rock out. Let me show you the payment on Nusi. As you can see, I got Nusi. I haven't been buying any. Show all my history on Nusi. Dividends, because I haven't been buying any. Well, all history. I'll show you right here. August 23rd, 659. July 666 and 667. I just collect the dividend. Just keep it for that. And put that in another place. I'm gonna check out. Make sure I check out SDIB. Shoe Carnival up 12.41%. They must have had some good earnings or something, because it's up 12%. Yep, according to earnings, sales beat expectations. Aiming roller coaster. So that's up. I put in my buy order to sell it at $44 when it hit it. I'm gonna take that and put it in RYLD to get my cash flow. So I ain't got to worry about it going up and down. Community healthcare, $17. Got a dividend yield of 10.23%. It's another REIT that you want to target now while it's cheap. Hold on, what I got? 10.11 shares. Okay. $10.7 shares now. I'm gonna get $10. $10 a day of that. Where is Black & Decker at? This one I'm gonna get probably rid of too. 52-week high is 108.15. Sell limit order 108.15. I got Got 4. So when I'm not watching, going to get rid of this. Gonna put this in RYLD2 or something else, a monthly pair. I got them in another portfolio anyway. Trying to clip this portfolio a little bit. A lot of REITs I got, I could just settle for RYLD. As far as the ones I'm holding just for the dividend yield. Alright, where we was at? Black & Decker. Alright, that's New Sea Brandywine. That Brandywine is another REIT. I leave it alone. It's above the $5 mark. Vici is another nice one. I'm up in Vici, so not gonna bother it. Collect that dividend with that one. Intel, I showed you. What else getting beat up? HNNA is good. HPE must have had some bad earnings on yesterday. 2282. It's another one I'm about to sell. Take that there and put that in another monthly pair. Get that dividend every month. Just trimming down my portfolio some. Like I said, when I came in the market, I was buying, which I did buy some good stocks though. Now, one thing I can't say I did, just the market, man, the economy got bad from 2020 to now. IAT is a bank stock. If y'all want to get into banking but don't want to buy individual bank stocks, this would be the ETF to buy. IAT. Let's look at Angles since we buy it. 73.19. Leave that alone. Let that drop below the 67 range. Alright, we did put a buy order in on Coney. DISO cover calls on Disney. Haven't brought one of these in a while. Buy orders placed. They haven't triggered, so I'm not going to bother it. I mean, Disney must have not been dropping the way it has been. ULTY, we did get a little something on that. 1049, 1046. We did get that today. MSTY, that's the one I'm monitoring to go down some more. AIYY, artificial intelligence. This one getting beat down. Got down to 805 today. This gonna do a reverse stock split. I can see this coming. I just reinvested dividend, but I'm doing this now because they made a new 52-week low. I get one share A. But as you see, it shot right back up quick. That's AIYY. YBIT is an ETF for Bitcoin. 1322, 1220. $5 worth on that one. Let me go back. They actually need to set a buy limit order. Okay, you got one place at 1220. Hold on, go back there 1 second. I might need to just reinvest the dividends at the prices at what I got paid last month, $16.21. I invested 5. Five and 5 is what, 10? So I'm about $6.21 worth. That'd be $16.21 reinvested. Just reinvest the dividends. That's why I tell you, just reinvest the dividends, let it pay for itself. Alright, that's why I bid done for the month. For me, got spit. Pays 33 cents a month. What I do like here, increase your monthly dividends. Get spit up. And it's less volatile than the rest. It's another one that's less volatile. ProShares. Let that rock out for now. We did QQQY. NVDY is up. 35.36. Get our 100 shares of that one. Alright, that's everything for today, man. Gonna let everything rock out. Go get your money.